Rev up your career with the diesel programs at Fox Valley Technical College. Gain priceless experience by working on real engines found in trucks, heavy equipment, construction machinery, and more. You will join the top diesel programs in the state and work directly on diesel engines. Focus on diagnostics, electrical systems, hydraulics, and advanced engine technology that a textbook can't teach you. Plus, students interested in construction equipment, diesel engines, and electric power generation can explore the Fab Tech programs, a partnership between Fabit Cat and Fox Valley Tech, where students work hands-on in state-of-the-art facilities on the newest Caterpillar machines and earn fast-track entrance to employment. Earn a degree in a growing field in our region. Our graduates are prepared for careers as diesel technicians, mechanics, fleet service specialists, and equipment technicians. Ready to inspect, repair, and maintain engines? Learn more about the diesel program and how to apply at www.fvtc.edu/diesel.